Begin by sectioning the hair based on thickness. Be sure to use a heat protectant when applying any heat to the hair. For these loose waves, curl the hair away from the face. I like to begin with the iron about halfway down the hair strand and curl up toward the scalp. Unwind, slide the iron down, and leave roughly 1 to 1.5 inches of the ends out of the iron and continue to curl. To unwrap the curl, you want to twist the iron like I'm doing here. Take strand sizes the width of your curling iron barrel and continue to curl away from the face. I personally like to start on one side of the head, working to the halfway point at the back of the head. Once you've reached the middle of the back of the head, switch to the opposite side. Again, curls should be wrapped away from the face, working towards the back of the head. Finish this section of hair all the way to the middle of the head. Create a new section and be sure to spray this with your heat protectant. I'll link all products at the bottom of this video. Continue sectioning hair, making it easy to curl, not missing any strands. Depending on the hair thickness, you may only have 2 layers or several, whatever makes curling the most manageable for you. Three of my key tips to creating these soft, loose curls is 1, the strands of the hair should be based on the width of the iron's barrel. 2, you should be wrapping those curls away from the face. And 3, by twisting out of your wrapped curl, you're creating a soft bend and movement. The heat and the curl is focused through the mid-strand, keeping those curls very loose. After I've completed curling, I like to finger brush out the waves, then finish the style with a hairspray. Once again, I'll link all the products used at the bottom of this video, and you can purchase from my web store if you like.